In today's video, I'm going to show you an exciting new way to practice speaking a foreign language using AI. It's called Speak Language Learning, and it uses advanced AI to act like your personal language tutor available anytime, anywhere. The app focuses on real-world conversations, giving you interactive speaking practice, pronunciation correction, and tailored feedback. Many users love how natural the AI tutors sound and how the app creates a low pressure environment to build confidence in speaking. With instant corrections for grammar and pronunciation, combined with lessons designed for practical communication, it's a powerful way to speed up fluency. The biggest strength of Speak is how it helps learners feel more comfortable using a new language in everyday dialogue, all while keeping practice fun and engaging. Of course, it's not perfect. The app works on a subscription model, so while there may be a limited trial, full access to lessons and unlimited practice usually requires a premium plan, which can be pricey. Some users also mention that while the AI is impressive, it doesn't always capture the full nuance of human interaction, and sometimes it repeats phrases or struggles with very complex, open ended discussions. It's also not a replacement for cultural immersion, but rather a great complement to your learning journey. So, if you're looking for a tool to boost your confidence, sharpen your speaking skills, and practice anytime you want, Speak Language Learning could be worth trying. Thank you for watching this video.